welcome back to my channel Fiana Fashion Forward. So today I have a beauty haul for you guys. So Nykaa is going to have their Pink Friday sale haul and I decided to suggest you some products which you should try from their sale. So all the products and their links will be mentioned below, so do not forget to see that. And also, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without further rambling, let's just start with the video. So let's begin with the first category, and I'm going to talk about my favorite lip products. So I ordered like quite a few lip products this time, and some were affordable and some are on the high-end options. So let's begin with the affordable ones first. So the first thing I would like to introduce you to is the Miss Claire lip liner. So it's super pigmented, as you can see, and the shade range in particular is like quite vast. There are like different variety of shades, and I chose this pink color. This is like Kiss Rose shade, and I quite like this for overlining my lips. And this in particular is like a sharpenable pencil, so it's like quite affordable and it lasts long as well. So the second product I would like to talk about is the lip liner. This is by My Glam. This is the range of their lip liners, and this is the shade Basic. So this particular shade is like an MLBB shade, and this comes in really handy when you want to overline your lips without them looking fake. So I have done like a Instagram tutorial of how to overline using this particular product, so you can check that out. I'll link that in the description. Formula wise, this is quite on the creamier side and it stays also quite put, and I particularly like the different color. It's like a nice white color, and you can see the shade on the back. That is quite amazing. On to the lipsticks category. Now I move on to this My Glam Lit lipstick. This particular is quite a trending shade. This is the shade Cuffing, and this is what I'm wearing. I've mixed it with another shade, but I quite like this lipstick because the formula is like quite long lasting, and I also like the wand shape. It's quite different. It's like a little bit flatter, and it's really great to apply your lipstick. And the quantity of this lipstick is also quite much, and it falls under the 500 rupees bracket, so you can check this out. And the other shades also are really good in them. So moving on to the next lipstick, I have the brand Etude House for you guys, and this particular is the Blooming lipstick, and I particularly like the different packaging of this. It's like a really nice light pink sort of a casing, and inside you can see like the beautiful shade. This particular shade is like different number wise, so this is PKO27, and it's like a really beautiful pink toned red. So this is what it looks like, and this would really make like a nice lip tint if you dab it. And I would also recommend you to use a lip liner before this, because this is like more on the creamier side of lipsticks, and the packaging is really cute. It would look amazing on your vanity. So now moving on to the other lipstick. This is the Deborah Milano Il Rosetto lipstick, and I particularly picked up just to try out a different color, and this is the shade 817. This is what it looks like. This particular shade is very different. I haven't come across anything like this. It's like a beautiful balmy texture, and the color is like a warm sort of a maroonish mauve tone. And this would really look good during the autumn winter months, because we tend to divert towards more of the darker lip shades. And this was the packaging. It's quite nice and it looks really good while carrying in your bag as well. So now we move on to the high-end category, and in that I picked up some MAC lipsticks. So MAC usually have some offers, so you can definitely check them out. And in MAC I really wanted to try the Love Me lipsticks. This is in the shade As If I Care. This is like a beautiful pink color. This will be great for daily wear, and the consistency of this lipstick is more on the creamier side, so you can see how the shade looks. This is like a nice sort of a pink tone shade, and it will be great for most skin types, so I would like to recommend this color for every skin color. So you can try it. It will look good on anyone and everyone, and I in particular was smitten by the packaging of this particular lip shade, and it looks so stunning on sitting on your vanity. So you should definitely check this out. And again from MAC I picked up another lipstick. This is their retro matte lip color. I have heard a lot about them, and the formula in particular, you know, it's supposed to be one of the best liquid lipsticks in the market. So I thought, why not try it? And this is what the color looks like. It's like a really different color. It's a really daring shade, and again it's a shade of purple. So this would be great for the winter months, and I'm looking forward to trying it. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It's like a classic packaging, but what you can do is that if you want to wear it on a daily basis, you can just wash it down or tone it down with like a lighter colored lipstick or like concealer, and you can wear it daily as well. Let's move on to the eye makeup category. So you know that we are wearing a lot of masks these days, so you know eye makeup has sort of gained the spotlight. So I thought of picking up some new eye makeup, since I really like to do eye makeup a lot. And the first product that I picked up was this Maybelline mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, but this is like a special edition. It's a collaboration with Alison Olivia. So basically it's like a little different. It's illustrated, and this particular mascara is meant for curling your lashes. So today I am wearing this, and it curled my lashes pretty well, but volume wise it's not that volumizing. It will curl your lashes pretty well, but I would like to recommend the Lash Sensational one. This in particular one is okay, but Lash Sensational one is my preferred go-to mascara. So moving on to the second product, I have this Deborah Milano 2-in-1 Kajal Plus Eyeliner. This is a different shade. This is a grey tone shade. So greys basically look really nice if you want to do like a different sort of a, you know, graphic eyeliner. They photograph pretty well, and I just bought it to experiment with my makeup. And this is what it looks like. It has like a color coded packaging, so it's great while you know you're searching in your wardrobe. So basically I've tried their black one as well, so I quite like that to, you know, smudge on the waterline. Speaking about kajals, I picked up another. This is the My Glam Jet Set Eyes Kajal Plus Eyeliner. So this particular one is a little bit different because you know the packaging is different. There is like a gripping sort of a handle, and the nib on this one is quite thin, so you know you can make winged eyeliner using this, and it is pretty good. So I have used this on my waterline today, as you can see, and the nib is really precise, so you know it would be great in making cat eyeliner or a winged eyeliner. And this is a black shade, so you can try this as well. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a slightly different white sort of a packaging, which attracted me a lot. So another affordable product is this one. This is the Mistler Glimmer Eyes, and this is like a white sort of a pencil. This is in the shade Pearl White, and it's really good to, you know, apply on your eyes when you want to make them appear strikingly bigger. And it's really nice for, you know, using as a base for any non-pigmented eyeshadow, and the price is quite affordable. It's for 65, but you know there are deals and offers going on all the time, so you should check this out as well. So another product by the brand Deborah Milano. This is their eyebrow pencil. This in particular one is like a nice sort of an eyebrow pencil. So basically if you have like little bit of brown tones in your hair, you should use this pencil. And it comes with like a small brush, and you need to sharpen this pencil to make it look really nice and precise. So I got this product. And moving on to the other product is like the thing which I am obsessed with a lot. So this is the Mirrorholic by the brand Etude House. So I have 3 shades from them, and this particular product is meant to add like a really nice glittery eyeshadow to your look. So if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend this product to you guys. And my favorite shade is the shade BE101 Champagne Bubble. So champagne, why champagne is my favorite? Because it looks good with any sort of eye makeup. So you can see how beautiful the shade is. It's like a slightly rose gold surfer shade, and it complements most eye colors and any sort of eyeshadow look. You can use this to make like a nice liner as well on an eyeliner brush. But I would really recommend this product to you if you are a beginner and you're looking for something to invest in for the wedding season or whatever. If you like to play with makeup, then you should definitely try out this product. So one high-end product I picked is They Are Real by Benefit. This is quite a popular mascara. So I, being an experimentative person, picked up a blue mascara. So this particular one has like more of a lengthening effect to your lashes. So you can see that the wand on this one, it's like quite long, and you can actually go in the lashes very well using this wand. And this particular one is like quite a bestseller from Benefit, but I like to pick the blue one just to make different sort of a look. And this is quite a good mascara. So moving on to the body care category, I picked up some things from Bath & Body Works, and this is the Into the Night fragrance. It's quite an intense fragrance, but I quite enjoy it, and I would recommend you to try it. And another Bath & Body Works products is this shower gel. So basically it's like a moisturizing sort of a shower gel, and you can use this on your body when you on the winter months when you feel really dry. So this will be quite moisturizing and nourishing. So another candle which I picked is this Raspberry Tangerine candle. This is a 3-wick candle, and it's more on the citrusy sort of a side since it has orange in it. So I quite like the packaging as well. So a classic product in my vanity is this Garnier face wash. This is the gentle soothing face wash. This is quite inexpensive, but it's really good for more of sensitive skin types, and you should definitely check out this product if you're on a budget. And another thing is the L'Oreal Highlights. So this particular shade is Honey Blonde, and I have actually tried it on my hair, if you can see. This is good, but if you're trying this for the first time, I would like to recommend you to keep it for a longer time so that the color comes out really vibrant and nice. So you should check this out if you want to color your hair at home. So from the brand Etude House, I have 2 products. This is their Moistful Collagen Facial Sheet Mask. So winters are coming, and you should definitely invest in sheet masks, which are really good for moisturizing the deep layers of your skin. And you can save the serum of this one and use it later as well. So that was all for my video today. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button and comment below with all the things that you would like to pick up from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I shall be back with a really fun and interesting video for you guys.